Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering both speakers and getting your phone ready. Make sure each speaker has at least a minimal charge so they won't shut down mid-process. Open the Bose Connect app now. The app is the control center that creates the multi-speaker link. Put each speaker into Bluetooth discoverable mode so the app can see them. Once the app detects the first speaker, connect to it. This creates a primary link that the app uses to add the second speaker. Now you use the Bose Connect app to combine the two devices. With your phone connected to the primary speaker by Bluetooth, open the app and tap that speaker's tile. Select Party Mode to play the same audio on both or stereo to assign left and right channels. The app guides you through pairing the second speaker. Follow the on-screen prompts and allow the app to search. This step links device firmware and audio routing, so both speakers act as one. Finish by testing audio and adjusting placement for the best soundstage. Play a track with clear stereo cues to verify left and right channels if you set stereo. If you chose party mode, confirm both speakers play identical audio. Make small placement changes to reduce reflections and improve imaging. If the speakers fail to link, reset both units, hold power for the model-specific reset, and forget them in Bluetooth settings. Then repeat the app sequence that usually clears pairing conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.